Hello everyone, this is Justin and I'm here to share another feature that we've developed with Rover 3.1. Some of the feedback that we've gotten from our urban foresters and our utility planners are challenges in working with the original parcel data as provided by some of the counties we're working with. I have an example on my screen right now. We can see that this particular parcel is labeled 12221 Van Brady Road, as is this parcel over here. And then there's another parcel that's marked at P.O. Box 279. For the sake of this example, let's imagine that you as a planner want to merge all three of these parcels into one new record. This one new record would then be where you could manage your contact information, or as you're dropping in new trees, they will automatically be associated to that new merged parcel. So there's less finicking around with making sure that a tree is assigned to one good parcel with complete addressing information. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how this feature works right now. So the first step in utilizing this process is to identify the parcels that you want to merge together. So in this case, what we've done is we've built this tool against the poly search. So I'm going to move over to the poly search layer under my search tools, and I'm going to pick my parcel, and I'm going to use my select by rectangle. Move this out of the way. And I'm going to go ahead and just drag a box around these three parcels. So now we can see that these three parcels have all been highlighted on the map in red. And I'm going to expand my menu here, and I can see that I have 1221 Van Brady Road, 1221 Van Brady Road, and P.O. Box. So let's imagine that this is the record that I'm interested in keeping. It's the most complete piece of information I have. I will go ahead and just right click, and there's an option here to choose Merge Into. When I click the Merge Into, it's going to warn me that it's going to construct a new feature based off of the dimensions of all my currently selected features. We can't undo this process. It's kind of a one and done thing. So there is a safety check to make sure that you have the correct parcels selected on the map. There are some other limitations of this feature. All the parcels have to be touching each other in order to be merged. So if there's a gap in between two parcels, you can't merge them together. We'll go ahead and acknowledge this warning. And you can see now that I have one parcel in my system that represents the full dimensions of all the parcels that I had just added. They're now sharing an address of 1221 Van Brady Road. And you'll also notice that I had a couple trees that were already located here. This tree was actually associated and closer to the parcel that said P.O. Box. And if I go in to edit this particular tree and look at the contact information, you'll see that it has already been moved to the new parcel that was created. So if you have been doing tree inventory and you've collected several trees and then have made the decision, I want to merge these parcels together, it will propagate down to all the features that have been associated with those parcels automatically. So we're pretty excited about this function. We think that it's going to really help streamline some of the inventory capture processes and make the information a little bit easier to manage, since this one new record that I've created has consolidated three individual records into one. It's a single point of information for the planning lead to keep up to date. It also makes it so that as I drop new trees into this process carrying on my inventory, they will automatically be assigned to 1221 Van Brady. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. Everyone, take care.